Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial video, I will show you step by step how to export video files on CapCut on desktop computers. So let's get started. Head over to CapCut.com and log into your account. As you probably know, you can access CapCut either via your web browser or as an application installed and launched on your computer. So I will access CapCut via my web browser here. So guys, the following is super simple. Create your video project, like for example that one here for demonstration purposes. And once you're ready to save your video file on your computer, simply click on that export button here in the upper right corner and choose whether you would like, for instance, share your video clip directly on social media platforms like TikTok, YouTube or Instagram, or download it as a file on your computer. I will go with the second option, so let me click on download here. Next, give your exported file a name. Set the resolution, the quality, the FPS rate, and also the output format, like for example MP4 or MRV. And lastly, confirm your setup by clicking on that export button to let CapCut export and save your video clip on your computer. So that's basically it guys. Thanks for watching. See you later.